Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a shadow page border in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open Microsoft Word. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match to open the Microsoft Word. Click on the blank document. Now here, once you are in your blank sheet, look at the ribbon at the top and here you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Design tab and here you will find Page Borders. Click on that. Now in the Borders and Shading window, you will find from here Shadow. Click on that. For the styles, choose the first one. For the color, you can simply choose as to what color would you prefer. So I'm just going to click on it. For the width, you can increase the width from here. And then you also have the preview from here. And then once done, you just need to simply click on OK. And that's it. You can see the shadow from here. Okay, so that's how you can easily add a shadow page border in your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.